Jairo O.
Valued trade partners, suppliers, and customers, allies from the private sector, our dear friends and family, and everyone has helped shape CDO through the years. Welcome home. Thank you for being with us tonight. Seeing so many of your beautiful faces brings me so much joy. Some of you have worked with us since the beginning. Others we've met along the way. But all of you have been part of our story. 50 years, what a journey. It feels just like yesterday when I started in our simple home kitchen in Valenzuela, make our first products, siopaw, longganisa, and tocino. Now, I stand here before you, celebrating 5 decades of our partnership and shared success. Truly, I never dreamt of having this large human enterprise. Back in June 25, 1975, when my husband Pepe and I first started, it was not about building a big company. My dream was much simpler. To create food that no matter where you are, brings the warmth of home. Pepe supported me in every step. He was my partner in life and in this business. He was a visionary, thinking ahead of what Filipino families would need. He pushed for new products, modern facilities, and even brought our children into the business early on. I know he would be proud to see Jerome, Charmaine, and Jason have taken what we started and brought it to even greater heights, each one making their own mark in growing and leading the company. And now, it brings me so much joy to see our grandchildren stepping in as well, helping shape the future of CDO. This journey would not have been possible without you, our stakeholders, our partners, our friends. From the beginning, you believed in us, a small venture with big aspirations. To our suppliers, You supported our vision. You provided quality ingredients at the best possible prices. And for going the extra mile, especially during rush orders and tight deadlines. And to our trade partners, thank you for making space for our products, helping us reach every corner of the Philippines through your stores and into the hands of countless Filipino families. To our partner banks for trusting us and providing us the needed funds for our growth and expansion. My startup business would not have happened without the first loan I got from a rural bank. Our partner banks have helped us to grow in the last 50 years. We are deeply grateful. To our friends in Valenzuela, especially our local officials, thank you for supporting our business and allowing us to grow in the city we've long called home. And to our Malbar community, thank you for embracing us and helping our second home grow and succeed. Through the years, with steady support and partnership, help us keep moving forward. As we gather tonight to mark CDL's 50th year, we simply want to say thank you. Thank you for your loyalty and the role each of you played in our journey from our small home kitchen to where we are now. We didn't build this legacy alone. We did it together. 50 years later, I'm very grateful that we are still here, still doing what we love, and still serving Filipino families. What makes tonight meaningful isn't just the number of years we've reached. It's the chance to be with the people who help us realize our dreams. Thank you for growing with us. Thank you for staying with us. The celebration is for all of us who have been part of the journey. To our partners, family and friends, welcome home. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.